Are you looking for a new barber or hairstylist? Or is your go-to barber or stylist just busy and you need a quick cut? Well, look no further than the exciting new app, RefreshMe. RefreshMe is an app that allows customers to find a barber or stylist from the comfort of their smartphone. To do so, users simply log into the app with their email or Facebook login information. From there, users can access the list of barbers or stylists and the services they offer. Whether you're at home or on the road, you can locate a barber or stylist within a given mile radius of you. Are you a barber or stylist looking for new clients? Simply sign up as a barber or hairdresser to list your offered services. It's that simple. Simply search, find, book, and rate your barber and stylist all within the app. Once you've found the barber or hairdresser of your choice, you can privately message them via the app with any specific questions. Users can also pay for their services directly through the app. So what are you waiting for? Whether you're looking for a cut, color, or new style, or you're looking for new clients, the RefreshMe app is your one-stop shop for your hair care needs. Download the RefreshMe app today.